Hi, I'm going to talk about Memorial Hospital. Here we have some information about hospital. In the design, a comfortable project for patients, patient relatives and employees is aimed at reducing the stress level. The architectural mass has been shaped in line with land data, climate, daylight, heat effect, wind access to the landscape, and the transportation schemes. The inpatient and polyclinic floors are planned vertically separated from each other. The patient floors are created in the form of a four-arm block where all the patient rooms will provide maximum access to daylight and the view. This mass is designed by retracting to the center in order to keep the patient rooms away from the noise in the land surrounded by roads. For effective intervention to the patients, nurse desks are placed in visible and easily accessible points. Acoustic materials were used to control noise, reducing the patient's sound-induced stress. Cafes, dining and listening areas are organized for employees and its aim to increase productivity. In order to emphasize the required entrance areas and to ensure patient acceptance easily, squares were created at 4 points of this large mass, and patients were directed to sheltered and welcoming entrance areas with the help of eaves. Thus, inpatients, outpatients, emergency patients, and personnel in the internal circulation are separated from each other with different entrances. The maximum number of examination rooms and waiting areas on the polyclinic floors are placed on the exterior. While the support units are planned in the parts of the building, they do not need daylight. Feel of home. A warm atmosphere was created in the lobby with color choices inspired by nature, wooden materials and acoustic arrangements. It was aimed to get the patient away from the anxiety of being in hospital. With the painting exhibition created around the entrance areas, the digital art installation, the concert area, the effect of art affecting the human spirit, and thus triggering physical recovery was benefited. These regulations, which are important components of architectural design, are the result of biophilic design approach. Biophilic design is a design approach that creates a beneficial interaction between the plant environment and the natural worlds and aims to create a healthy habitat for people. In the project, it was aimed to strengthen the interaction with nature in the interior, as well as access to the nature, green, and sunlight. A holistic concept design is integrated into interior with nature colors in brown and green tones, wood materials, and use of forms and textures imitating nature. Reducing the stress level reduces the amount of energy and reduces needed by the body, and this ensures that the human body reacts more quickly to health risks. In line with all the studies carried out, Memorial Başarılı Hospital aims to accelerate the treatment process of patients, reduce stress levels, and contribute to their recovery with its architectural design as well as healthcare personnel and medical infrastructure. Here we can see how are the parts separated from each other. On the right side, we have emergency entrance, service entrance, and there is a hospital entrance, parking entrance for people, and polyclinic entrance. On this plan, we can see the separation. This part for examination rooms. Also, we have examination room at here, and there is a physical medicine and rehabilitation center. Here we have cafeteria with its terrace. We can also see the fire exit and elevators. There we have patient rooms again, which has sunlight. Here we have patient rooms. There is a pediatric room. waiting areas, and interview room. Thank you.